Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now if you guys have a Mazda, guys, any Mazda vehicle, and you're wondering, okay, what the PCV valve is for and what are the symptoms of a bad PCV valve, stay with us guys, and that's what we'll be covering today. We're working on this CX7, but any gasoline diesel engine, guys, has a PCV valve. Okay, and that valve, guys, we'll explain where usually it's located. It could be on two different places, and we'll explain what it does and what are the symptoms. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment below with your recommendations, or if the video was helpful, just let us know. So this is the 4-cylinder engine in this Mazda. Doesn't matter if you have 4, 6, 8, you're going to have, guys, a PCV valve. And really depends on the engine where it's located. Okay, on some Mazdas, guys, okay, it's located on the valve cover. You're going to have a valve cover, usually kind of like where the vacuum leak here is, a vacuum hose, excuse me. You have a PCV valve. On this Mazda, it's on the crankcase breather, and Ford uses that design as well, because okay, that crankcase breather, okay, is actually located on the engine block, right there, on the engine block. So you have to remove the intake manifold, okay, to get to the crankcase breather, and on top of it, right here, it's where your PCV valve is. What the PCV valve does, guys, pretty much that will be for any car, not just Mazda, but some of you will be specifically looking for Mazda. Okay, when the engine is working, you know, the pistons go up and down, you have combustion, that combustion drives the piston down and sends the power to the crankshaft. Well, that combustion, guys, there will be gas that will leak in the engine, in the crankcase, through the piston rings, cylinder wall, and as a result, guys, okay, that gas will build up in the crankcase, and there will be some internal pressure in the engine. Now, that valve is driven by the engine vacuum, and it's going to take these vapors, guys, okay, these vapors, and take them to the intake manifold usually. Okay, this is your intake manifold. It will be past the throttle body. This is your PCV valve outlet in the intake here. Past the throttle body, it goes back in the cylinder, okay, in the cylinders, in the engine, and gets burned through the exhaust. Now, if that thing, guys, okay, if that thing fails, what you could expect, guys? Okay, now it can fail in two different ways. One is stuck open, one is, guys, stuck closed. So, what symptoms you can expect from that, guys? Okay, if it's stuck closed, now, you're going to have increased internal engine pressure. That increased pressure, guys, is going to lead, okay, to oil leaks. Check it out. Gaskets will start leaking. Also, seals, like crankshaft seals, oil pan gaskets. You can develop quite a few leaks around the VVT solenoids as well, as a result of that, guys, valve being stuck closed, because that pressure doesn't have place to go, so it builds up and puts pressure on the gaskets. So, what's another thing? Another thing, guys, build up on your valve cover and your oil cap of kind of like a sludge and moisture inside. Okay, you can definitely see here, guys, sludge and moisture. This could be due to a failing PCV valve. Now, being stuck closed. Another thing, guys, could be engine surges and black smoke. This is the really scary part, black smoke, guys. Most people, when they see that, they're like, okay, I seriously need some serious engine work that will cost thousands of dollars. No, it could be just that guy that is like 10-15 bucks that could cause that. So never ever assume the worst thing. So this is, guys, the symptoms for being stuck closed. What about being stuck open, guys? Okay, being stuck open, you're going to lose engine vacuum. When you lose engine vacuum, you can get a misfires at idle. You can get a cold, okay, engine light on and cold for misfire. You can also have a lean air fuel mixture. Okay, that's one thing. Another thing, you can notice oil, fresh oil in the PCV valve and the hoses, because it just stuck open and the oil vapors go directly, okay. It's supposed to close, but it doesn't, and it only opens under pressure, so oil will flow freely to the intake, and as a result, guys, increased oil consumption and hard engine start, because your spark plugs will get black, okay, and they will not function as good, and rough engine idle, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you having a Mazda vehicle. Thank you guys for watching. Please, hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.